Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to TK Rev Studio today. We have a MAGTAME Charge Cables and Type-C and Lightning cable. I'm excited to unbox and review it. Don't forget to subscribe for my future tech reviews and unboxings. Link in the description for this magnetic charging cable. 10% off code in the description. This magnetic feature is great for clean cable management. It's super easy to roll up and put away. The magnet is strong enough to support itself on any metal or iron surface. Alright, let's talk specs. Material: copper plus Pe plus rubber magnetic plus nylon. Mechanical property: tensile strength 30 kilograms, CC Thunderbolt 60 kilograms. Charging head material: MAGTAME aluminum alloy, all MAGTAME LCP. Feature of product: it can stick together and be neatly stored, easy to carry. Magnetic fields shield from interference and make data transmission more restable, also fun. No more mess. We understand the frustration of tangled cords and the chaos they create in your life. We believe that simplicity is vital. That's why we've created MAGTAME, convenient and elegant solution to your cable organization needs. Full of magnetism. The whole line is wrapped with magnetic material, full of magnetism, so you can easily wrap your charging cable to keep it organized and tangle-free. Innovative and functional. Super fast charging. MAGTAME supports power delivery with our high-efficiency charging technology. You'll never have to wait for your device to charge again, ensuring you're always ready to go. Convenient to carry, great for traveling, business trips, and daily life. Quick and easy storage with no tangles. You can curl mag cables to any size you want. Super convenient to carry. Safety and Apple certified. We use LCP non-flammable high-temperature resistant materials. Conforming to safety standards, we consume double thickest using the Apple certified chip to ensure the efficient charging process, but also to ensure the high performance of the product. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you like this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.